Hey everyone, if you're frustrated with the Canon error code 30 popping up on your printer, don't worry, we've got you covered. This error is a common issue in 2025 models, and in this video, I'll walk you through what it means, why it happens, and how to fix it quickly. Let's jump right in. First, what exactly is error code 30? It typically signals a problem with the paper feeding system in your Canon printer. This could involve a blockage, sensor malfunction, or mechanical wear, making it hard for the printer to pull in paper smoothly. Now, let's talk about the causes. The most common ones include paper jams from crumpled sheets or too much paper in the tray, dirty or worn-out rulers that can't grip paper properly, and even outdated firmware that hasn't been updated. Environmental factors like humidity can also play a role, causing paper to stick or sensors to misread. Alright, time for the solutions. Start with the basics. Turn off your printer, unplug it from the power source, and wait about 60 seconds. Plug it back in and turn it on. This simple reset fixes many glitches. If that doesn't work, carefully open the printer and check for any paper jams. Remove stuck paper gently, making sure no bits are left behind to avoid further damage. Next, inspect the rollers. Use a soft, lint-free cloth to clean them if they're dusty or worn. You can find specific cleaning instructions in your printer's manual. Don't forget to update your firmware. Head to the Canon website, download the latest version for your model, and follow the on-screen steps to install it. This often resolves software-related issues. If these steps don't solve the problem, it might be a hardware issue, like a faulty sensor. In that case, contact Canon support or visit a certified repair shop. Remember, always handle your printer with care to prevent future errors. There you have it. Simple ways to tackle Canon error code 30 in 2025. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and happy printing.